Hey Jay, how's it going over there at SoCal Green Roofing? This is Terrence with High Road SEO, and I was just doing some research on your site here, and I just wanted to send you over these three quick tips you can start using today to start outranking your competition. All right. I didn't want to waste anyone's time, so if by the end of this short video you feel that the information that I've shared can help increase traffic to your site and grow your business, then I would love to chat. If not, please feel free to start using this information today to start outranking your competition. All I ask is that you give me some feedback at the end of the video, if you wouldn't mind. All right, so going to be talking about three quick things here today: content, citations, and backlinks. All right, so content is any words on the first page here, any pictures, what's behind the pictures, and even what your pictures are saved as is included in the content. All right, so I definitely want to make sure that any pictures that we have saved on our site, they're being saved under keywords that our consumers are searching for on Google. Okay, very important. Also want to make sure that we have at least 1,500 words of content on the first page. And I know this may seem a little wordy, but this is going to allow us to be able to work in the appropriate number of keywords and phrases that we need to start ranking on these top pages. Okay. That is content. Secondly is citations. And a citation is any business directory online where your address is registered and can be found by a consumer. All right, so for an example, Google, Facebook, Yahoo, YouTube, any of these websites where your address is registered is considered a citation. And citations help us by being able to rank on what's called the map pack on the first page of Google for any keywords that our customers are typing in. So obviously the top three businesses here in these positions will have increased traffic to their site. Now, how do you get here? We have a tool to see exactly how many citations we have as opposed to our competition. So the name of the game is coming in and matching, not only matching what our competition is doing in regards to citations, but getting more than them, making sure that our Google My Business listing here is optimized correctly, and then we can begin to start outranking them and taking this traffic. Okay. Thirdly is backlinks. Backlinks are the holy grail of how we get organic traffic to our site organically. And a backlink essentially is another website that's just linking back to our website. And what this does is gives us relevance, power, authority in Google's eyes, so we can begin to start ranking on these top pages. Now, we also have a tool to see how we're stacked up to our competition here as well. So if we plug in our information here, we have 4 referring domains, 6 backlinks. We're being found for 2 keywords, and it's not showing that we have any organic traffic to our site. I see we have 49 pay-per-click ads running. Now, if we look at one of the top competitors in the area, they have over 200 referring domains, over 700 backlinks. They're being found for almost 900 keywords, bringing them over 650 organic visitors to their site every single month. Now, the beauty about this tool is we can come in and see exactly what referring domains our competition are getting their backlinks from. So just like the citations, we can come in and match exactly what our competition is doing here, and then get more powerful, more relevant, more authoritative backlinks coming to our site, so we can begin to outrank them and start taking this traffic here. So I have to ask you, along with what you're doing pay-per-click, if you had over 650 organic visitors coming to your site right now, every single month, what do you think that would do for your business? All right, so with that, I hope this helps you. I hope this opens up the opportunity of what's available. And if you feel that me and my team can help you get there, then I would love to chat with you. My direct information is 323-675-7483. All right, have a great day and speak to you soon.